So guys, I'm sure to set up your Mario Talking Flower. So first, a couple of things you need that are not included. You will need a screwdriver. You also need 2 AA batteries. Links below if you don't have them. So for the talking flower at the bottom, you're just going to twist this to the left, counterclockwise. Take it off. Go and unscrew this. So I actually have to change the screwdriver head, make sure it's a size 1. You're just going to turn this counterclockwise. So it's put on like this. So from your press menu,
English. English.
press menu to confirm.
What time is it? Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep.
So set the time, press menu to confirm.
Beep. When do you want to wake up? Beep, 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 beep. When do you want to go to bed? Beep.
Put back on the cover.
Can I talk yet?
Oops, did not mean to press that.
Perfect weather for a nap, huh?
Actually press in.
Ooh, so exciting.
When you put this back on, you're going to turn it to hear sound. Turn to the right. You'll hear it click in.
Can I talk yet? They say the ocean tastes like tears.
To mute it, just hold the button.
I'll keep quiet for a while.
Okay guys, thanks for watching.